how he lost $100,000 in 1 month trading stocks and options. Before we go into the details, let's talk about these important things. If you like my videos and find it helpful, then subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll be uploading more videos in the future on how to improve your skill in trading and investing, deadly mistakes to avoid so you don't lose a ton of money, and strategies that people have been using to make money that I've learned over the past 5 years. Also, feel free to share the video with friends and family. They will thank you for showing them useful information. Okay, let's get right to it. So, basically, I went to the gym the other day and I ran into a friend. As soon as he saw me, he's like, "Hey, Sang, hey, I want to talk about stock and option." I said, "Okay, how you been doing? Man, hope you're doing good." He said, "Not so good." I said, "What you mean not so good?" Man, he said, "Man, I just lost about $280,000 from my account." I said, "What? Did you say $280,000? He said, "Yeah, $280,000. I said, "Okay, tell me more. Tell me how you got how you got into it and what happened. $280,000 is a lot of money." He says like this. So basically, he deposited about $100,000 into his trading account, right? And then he bought some options on different stocks, and it made him pretty good money. It went up to about $280,000, and he was like, "Man, I was feeling good." So I think I want to hit that $1 million mark. So I went all in, and then in September, when the market starts selling down big, I just lost everything, man. And I say, "Wow, man, that sucks." Losing $100,000 of your own money, but going down from the high of 280, man, that's hard to take. I don't know how you deal with this. That's very stressful. Uh, so I said, "Hey, man, you got to focus on doing the right thing. If you ever come back to the market, you got to focus on doing the right thing and avoid mistakes." A lot of people, they make all these mistakes as new beginning traders, and that's why they have this, statistic is the 90 90 90. What it means is that 90% of the new traders lose 90% of all their money in about 90 days. And within about 6 months, 90% of all the new traders, they lose all their money. And this statistic has been around for a long time. The 90 90 90 has been recently been around because the easy access to the internet and easy access to internet brokerage. So we talk about 10-15 minutes. He said, "Hey, I gotta go real quick, but I'm gonna go home and message you." Okay, so that night I went home. I thought about the guy, and I was like, "I'm gonna send him a text." No, how about I message him on Facebook? So I want you to look at this screen right here. See, he's down 99.99%. That's nearly all his money. Okay, so I went home and I got on Facebook. I said, "Hey, bro, when you have some time, tell me how you lost $280,000 in September. What did you do? How did you feel when you were in it? And if you could go back in time, what would you do differently, and what would you not do?" I told him because I'm making a video of stories of how people lost their money to put on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. I'm not going to mention any name for privacy, but basically, I got like 10 people who lost all their money in about 6 months, from $14,000 all the way to someone who lost $350,000 of their own money. And I was hoping that when I make all these videos, it can help someone avoid these losses. So the reason I'm getting a lot of these messages is, when people see my computer, they always ask me a question about investing and stuff like that. You know, we talk and, you know, people reveal to me how much money they lost. You know what I mean? So basically, yeah, this is the picture that he sent me. The picture that was up earlier. He said I was up roughly, 280 at a time, and you know that's all his time. And I said, okay, if you can do it one time, you know you can do it again. You know, just track down your mistake and avoid them when you come back to the market. You know, he says he's playing option, as you can see right here. You know, he want to hit the $1 million. So as we text back and forth, I say, hey, focus on the right thing when you come back. You know, and I asked him, hey, if you can go back in time, you know, and tell yourself what would you do, you know, he basically say the same thing that he told me at the gym. You know, I got to pay attention. I got to watch my account. You know, if the thing I'm in starting to go down, I start to lose money, it's time to get out. It's time to get out. It's time to get out at the stop loss so you don't lose all your money. You know, at least your principal. So basically, the one thing that is most important to protect your account is your stop loss. Meaning, you have to use it and you have to honor it without thinking about it or giving it second thought. And basically, it will save you a lot of headaches and it can save you a ton of money. And hopefully, you can avoid these gigantic loss like my friend here. Okay, that is it for now. I'm Sang Nguyen. Until next time, until my next video, feel free to share this video with friends and family. Have a good one.